we're looking at the VAT in New Zealand. Now they've got a percentage of 12.5% instead of the 10%. So Vanessa goes on holidays to New Zealand and rents a car for 5 days at a rate of $56.50 New Zealand a day before VAT. Calculate the total cost of renting the car including the VAT.
So
What do you reckon we do?
calculate the cost.
Highlight first, that's always a good thing. Let's have a look. New Zealand, $56.50 a day before VAT. And we're going to calculate it including the VAT. Now, the other important bit is that they've got a VAT of 12.5%. Now, ours was 10%. What did we times it by to get the total tax inclusive price? What percentage did we times it by? 110. So what are we going to times this one by? What's their percentage? Their percentage is 12.5. So, yeah, you did. So what are we going to times it by? 112.5%. Now, this is per day. At the moment, I've only done it for the 1 day. So how much is that? So 63.56 per day.
So you was right about that 63 and then they go.
They do. They start off really well and then they just start to mumble.
No, well, I thought 63.
Thank you, man. That's per day. How many days?
5.
So we're going to times it by 5. Gives us what for the total price?
Shit, I pressed on, otherwise I could have just
All clear. Use all clear. Don't press on. Don't.
What's that?
Why?
Seriously. Because if you're using your calculator, go, and you do 56.5 times 112.5% equals, you've got that, 63.56.25. Then you can do answer times 5 equals. If you press on, it clears it, and you no longer have that answer stored in the memory.
And you didn't even know that until you didn't know.
I didn't know you guys were pressing on. I've never seen anyone do that before.
I've always pressed
I've
on.
always had that.
It's way easier because it like turns. I don't know.
Oh, I don't
It's
think-
not easier.
Not easy.
It's the same thing.
I
You're
don't
pressing
think
a
I'll get rid of the
button.
answer,
My
though.
finger reads
Yes, it does.
You just
Does it?
don't
Yeah.
press
If I press on
that one.
and then press answer equals, oh, I kept it.
It's just
Like
like
that
going
one is,
back.
look.
It's
Joey,
It's
What
like
was it? Oh, you can't go back.
Yeah, you can't replay.
Okay. Yeah, no, you can't go back and see what you did.
Yeah, and if you press on,
Yeah.
you go back. But
56.5 times 112.5
you make a
Easy.
lot of
Easy.
noise on that.
equals
That's gonna really
that.
hard.
See, now what I can do is if I hit all clear, I can press up and go back to what I did. And make and if I've got to repeat the calculation with different numbers or very similar, I can go back and I can edit it.
I told you to do that. And she
That's
was
it.
like, how'd you do that?
Answer times 5. So that's our answer.
And you said no, whatever.
Or was it 317?
0.81.
You just did it.
Yeah, I know, but I can't see the number anymore and my memory's not that good. Do we round it?
No.
I just kept up to date. And you know what?
Unless the question says so, don't.
It's not 8-1, it's just 8. It's just 8.
No need to round it.
But you said 8-1.
You didn't hear that.
Pardon? I can't hear you.
Oh, it's on.
Hey.
Alright.
Oh,